Hi, welcome to my channel. So in this video, we are going to see the Sainik School Recruitment 2021 vacancies notification, guys. And here the graduate as well as the postgraduate teacher vacancies are there. And the salary is up to 40,000 rupees per month. And please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for the school recruitment vacancies, guys. Okay, especially for the Sainik school. It will be very much helpful to them. And the candidates who did not subscribe yet my channel, then please do subscribe and then click on the bell icon. So before going into the main content of this video, here one announcement is that the candidates who are preparing for the UGC December 2020 cycle exam, so from April 7th onwards, the revision through the previous year questions for the paper 1 as well as the electronic science. Okay, so utilize this opportunity, guys, and the details regarding this one I kept at the end of this video, and the links I kept in the description box of this video. Coming to the present content of the video, so it is Government of Telangana, and it is TTWREIS and TSWREIS Hyderabad. So prospectus of TTW and TSW outsourcing teachers recruitment in Sainik school, dated 16 April 2021. So here the TTWR Sainik School B, Ashok Nagar, Warangal, and TSWR Sainik School, Rakmapur, Karimnagar, represented for engaging of certain outsourcing teaching faculty to teach the students in CBSE syllabus from 6th class to 12th class. Okay, so from this one, here are the below are the vacancies and qualification for the outsourcing teaching faculty. You may check down. Here the subjects are Telugu, English, Mathematics, Physical Sciences, Biological Sciences, Social Studies, Hindi, and Art, Computer, Counselor, English, Maths, Physics, Chemistry, Telugu, and General Studies. So these are the subjects here, and you may check down the experience wise. These vacancies are divided. So from 1 to 7, it is TGT, guys. Okay, so graduate teacher vacancies that you may check down. So outsourcing post and the total number of posts are mentioned here. And coming to the required qualifications, the grade of TGT is as per the CBSE affiliated schools, that is graduation in concerned subject with 60% of marks with B.Ed, must qualify preferably CTET or the TET. That means must qualify preferably either CTET or the TET they are asking. And coming to the art, computer, and counselor, they require the 5 years recognized diploma or graduate with minimum 2 years full-time diploma, or MA drawing in drawing and painting, sculpture, and graphic arts. Coming to the art, and in computer, MC or BTech computers is required. Okay, so there is no need of B.Ed or anything to this one. And coming to the counselor, BA with psychology, 60% marks, or any PG with diploma in counseling. Okay, so here also the B.Ed or M.Ed they did not ask, or else a CTET or TET qualification is also not required here. And coming to this one, okay, PGT or else the junior lecturer, the grade of PGT as per the CBSE affiliated schools, that is post graduation in concerned subject with 60% of marks with the B.Ed and must preferably CTET or the TET. So here the vacancies are there for the TET qualified candidates and B.Ed, as well as TET or B.Ed is not required for the what we call arts, as well as the computer and the counselor. Fine. So while coming to the remuneration wise, for TGT 30,000 rupees and for PGT 40,000 rupees for optional subjects and 30,000 rupees for the languages. And coming to the art, 20,000 rupees, and computer and counselor also 20,000 rupees per month you will get. And the selection procedure is inviting applications from the eligible candidates with an application fee of 500 rupees, and the candidates have to submit the application in online mode by visiting the following website. So I will provide this PDF link in the description box of this video. So you need not to search down separately for this website links, guys. And coming to the written test for 100 marks, okay, and the interview will be there. So the call ratio is 1:2 for the interview. Coming to the important dates, for press notification is 17th April. Last date for application is 10th May. Date of written test is 24th May. Interviews and demo on 9th June, and display of final selection list is 16th June. Okay. So please utilize this opportunity, guys. So please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of opportunities, having these qualifications. It will be very much helpful to them. And for more notifications, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows. So listen, guys. Hi friends, my name is Ashwini Kumar, Unacademy educator. So all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform, and it is providing the very good content to the learners who are preparing for the competitive examinations. And from this video I want to bring you one notice that I'm going to start the two new courses for the UGC candidates who are preparing for the UGC exam in 2021. So the course number one is complete course for the NTA UGC paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So that it is going to start from November 9th onwards. And coming to the paper 2 is the electronic science. So the complete course for the electronic science is going to start from November 10th onwards. So the interested candidates may take the subscription plan of the Unacademy, that I will show you the different types of subscription plans. But before going to those subscription plans for the paper 1 and as well as to the paper 2, one thing that I want to share you is that if you want to check how the lectures will be, and why, because each and everybody is having some dilemma that before taking the subscription plans, that whatever the content I am going to teach you, so how the content I'm going to give you, so whether you can able to understand or not. So for that purpose I will provide my Unacademy profile link in the description box of this video, guys. So if you click on that one, then you will be directed to this web page. So here if you scroll down, you can check the special classes. So special classes means these are the completely free classes. So every month I'm going to take the free classes to the candidates. So if you click on this see all, then all my special classes that you can check down here, right? So if you click on these classes, then whatever the video classes I took at that date and time, so those videos will play. So with the help of these videos you can decide that how I am going to deliver the content of the concepts and each and everything. So based upon that one, you may take the subscription plans, guys. Okay. And if you want to check that how I am going to teach the UGC paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude, so it is my official YouTube channel link for the paper 1 that you can check down. I will provide this link also in the description box of this video. So here I did the complete unit 1, that is the teaching aptitude here by taking the total 6 parts. So it will be acts like the reference to you that how I am going to teach you, whether you can able to understand or not. So by looking all this content, that means the electronic science from the Unacademy app and from the YouTube channel, you can guess that how I am going to teach the paper 1. So by looking all these things, you can decide